They say to run, to never rise, but nothing's final. 1,000 thoughts, a million fears, and still I smile. When you run too fast, you never see the colors of every mountain. Slow down the world, live another day. I remember how it used to be, out there chasing cars and broken dreams. I told myself, don't look back, this is your life. Someday I'm gonna fall in love for the first time. I remember every piece of me, everything was perfect and complete. So I'm gonna take it one day at a time.